We are unboxing the Coleman Triton Plus camping stove with perfect flow, insta start, and wind block, which looks like it's just the lid. That's the wind block. All right, let's get this thing open. Fun part is, this is somebody's Christmas present, and I get to unbox it. You sit over there, please. So, we're trying not to screw up the box too much. My awesome wife is holding my phone. I'm filming this with the iPhone XR, it's the best phone ever. Oh. The directions are nothing in the box. It's just a box. We've got the plastic stuff. Got a handy dandy latch, looks like. Oh yeah, look at that. Opens up like a toolbox. Okay, that's different. We're not going to take any of this stuff off because it's somebody's Christmas present. I'm not sure how any of this works. Oh, okay. There's a clippy right here. It goes into there. We're not going to put it in there because it's somebody present. We'll just set it there for this. And there's one on the other side, so that's kind of handy. That's your hookup for your gas. And you can fit a 10 and 12 inch pan. That's kind of nifty. And you got your burner. That's your start, your ignition, your burners, and your second burner. And then folds up. Nice and handy. Locks it up. Wow. It's got a little handle here to carry it with. That's really handy. And cook your eggs and bacon, your scrambled eggs and toast. And that's it.